This is a video to unpack the second task in CU624. Task 2 is a arts and design technology demonstration, and you're actually making something. Importantly, you're also going to show us the curriculum alignment and the design process. So it's all about that design technology at its heart. So here's the description in the learning, in the unit outline there. Create an art piece. It can be an arts or an art contextual technology piece, so it can have an emphasis on that if you wish. It might have more of a technology edge, but it has to be creative. And you elaborate your design thinking. There's the three components I mentioned there. So if I go down to the elaboration, it doesn't provide a lot more information, but you must document, and that's a real key. Document the process, and you can do that with photos, or you can make an annotated video. Most have chosen a video actually to do that. So you create the artifact, show and its demonstration, and then you talk through and walk through your design process that you did. So what you'll do with that means is you'll look at that using perhaps a template, say the design engineering template, where you ideate, you plan, then you create, then you improve or refine, or you could use a different model of design thinking and phases. And also you connect it with the arts and technology, technology alignment. So either you put words with that or you create a video with that. This here can be a document with pictures, or it can be a video overall. So let's have a look at it. If you have a look at the exemplars, you'll see what I mean. You have a number of options that you may do. What we have here is an animated PowerPoint and demonstration with a title page, and we look at different elements. It talks about the arts curriculum that they've used and related experiences.
Now, with the
further on,
developing new meanings for objects,
go into the design process,
have used the engineering design
and that's
process,
the ask or the ideation,
plan,
and
create,
it details that. They'll have the different sections. I'm skipping. Hopefully we get to see those things.
ACTDE.
Imagine,
so then I moved on
and they've
to
got
the
a
imagine
tutorial
stage.
record
So this
that
is
there.
Okay, here's an idea.
There's some prototypes that they've done, some refinements that they've done.
Paper,
Okay, so they're going through, and I'm seeing clearly, and I'm skipping all the various sections. So what they've done is basically create an annotated PowerPoint of what they've done and show me the pieces. And does it have all the elements in there? Yes, it does. It has the artifact of evidence, it's showing me the steps, it's showing me design, and it's showing me connections to the art
areas for improving
Here's the improvement, and here we'll get to see some of the complete activities that they did.
Leaf size and variety is greater.
The final product
Notice
they've got annotations along the way. So that is one example of how they've used a voice-over PowerPoint demonstration that they prepared. And that's one way you can do this. And they've got words, obviously, the words and annotations and the highlights to go with that. Here's an alternate presentation. So we have some words which gives context. They're talking about the Australian curriculum, going through those things using this design template and method. And then they start to show the finished product of what their ideas that they've looked at. Some commentary, alignment with the technology, alignment with the arts curriculum, and then they've gone and looked at their steps in their process, and they've documented their design that they've done. So I'm scrolling quickly just to show you that you can do it in a Word document. This way is another example that you have, and evaluate. So they're going through all the different phases of the design process, and they're done. Where's my final product? Okay, there it is there. So they've used, they've connected it to the curriculum, they have an artifact of evidence, and they've also articulated the design process and all the steps involved. So both of these achieve what is required in terms of task number 2. Over the side here I have useful ideas. that you might want to click on, you'll be supplied to you, so that you can, explore opportunities that you can have this art context or artistic piece linking with design technology. So it was really well done, and I hope people had a lot of fun doing it. So have a look at those exemplars and also review the rubric to see what's exactly required.